Let me just quickly check my audio. I think we're good to go. I think it's fine. Yeah, sure. So 8:30 in the evening today, and welcome everyone to post-market analysis of Nifty, Sensex as well as Bank Nifty. The benchmark indices on 12th of September. We have come to the close of the second week in September, and it has to be said, generally this week has been positive in Nifty, and most of ours, I think, portfolios would have come to a better portion than what it was in the first week of September. So Nifty opened gap up today, and after a very small pullback went up to 25,125, if I am not wrong, 140 in fact, 140, and made a close at 25,114, 114. So we have had a close about 25,100 for the first time in the last month. For last month, 1 month, let's say around 25 trading sessions, this is the first time we have gone about 25,100 and closed above 25,100. So Nifty did move up in the initial phases, and after around 11:30 it was complete consolidation in a very tight range of around 40 to 50 points, and this has been the way Nifty has been doing for the past multiple sessions. We have consolidation on Friday today, we had consolidation on Thursday, we had consolidation with small bearish bias on Wednesday, and consolidation on Tuesday. So entire week we had consolidation, except for maybe we can say what we can say is on Monday, where we had an initial movement of around more than 100 points and a pullback of more than 100 points in just a short period of time. So entire week we had consolidation, and this is very evident in India VIX. India VIX is down by 2.32% again today, and India VIX is at 10.12 now, which is very close to multi-year low. I'm talking about multi-year. Okay, so if we take the weekly chart of India VIX, because this is important as option traders, this is important, this is where India VIX is at now. So this is among the multi-year low points. So after when India VIX has been here, you can just go and check how the charts have been performing. And generally, as an option seller, I don't like India VIX coming to 10.1 because the premiums are extremely low. So let's move on to what is Sensex. Sensex also formed a very similar pattern and consolidation throughout. Bank Nifty had consolidated for most of the day, just like Nifty, and the fall in Bank Nifty in the initial phases was more steeper than what we had in Nifty, and Bank Nifty closing at 0.26% in the green, again underperforming Nifty. The top performer of the day was Nifty Metal again. So metals have been finding some grip. FMCG is up 0.7%. Other than that, it is pharma sector. And another thing about pharma sector, the US President Donald Trump today in the evening, I was just watching it live. In his Oval House, they had a kind of a press conference. It is not a press conference, but it is an open conference where they were coming in and stating out what they are going to do about the pharmaceutical industry, about the drug prices in America. So they are going to cut down. They are asking the drug lobby, let's say the drug companies, the industry, to cut the drug prices in for the common people in America, and that's what he said. And what all are the technical reforms, what all are written in the paper, those are yet to be seen. So it seems quite a positive move from Trump as far as the common man is concerned, and the pharmaceutical as well as IT companies are the two major sector, or the sectors are the two major sectors who in India who are closely related to, connected to the US. So when the Indian rupee goes down, Indian rupee performs bad, IT pharma performs bad. When IT and pharma performs bad in the US, we perform bad here generally. Okay. So if if that is a boost for pharma sector, or if the profit margins of the pharma sector is going to be badly affected there, we could see the ripple effect in India as well. So all those things are yet to be seen. Most importantly, we had Infosys share buyback. The confirmation has come. 18,000 crore shares, 18,000 crore worth shares will be bought back by the company, and the issuance has been made. 10 crore shares will be bought back at 1800 rupees. That is close to almost, I think, around 20% premium. Let me check where Infosys is currently trading at 1525. The share buyback is to happen at 1800 rupees. So if you want to sell the shares to the company, that is you are getting a premium of around 20% instantly as things stand. So that has again reignited the IT sector. It seems that the IT sector has kind of bottomed out. IT sector has not been performing well, and yes, this is what IT sector has been doing. IT sector has not been performing well. So possibly I think there is kind of a bottoming out, and in the weekly chart we have a green candle, green closing. Let's see how we have closed in Nifty on a weekly time frame as well. So this is what the weekly time frame tells us. So it is a very bullish candle, and this was mainly because of the gap up openings, not because of the intraday rallies we had. So it is also down to the global cues. We have generally positive global cues. We are kind of getting into a bilateral trade with US. Nothing is confirmed yet. Fingers crossed. So all those things. Now let's go check the open interest for Nifty. The PCR is at 1.3, which indicates bullishness. The highest put writing is at 25,000. So I think the bulls will try to protect 25,000 most probably, and all the open interest at any other higher levels are much lesser than the open interest put writing at 25,000. So I think we have had some sort of a short covering rally, short covering today as well. Yes. 25,000 and 25,050, everything, the calls have exited their portions, puts have built their portion. So 25,100 is the only thing where put at least calls have started to sell again, but nothing significant there. It is all put writing. Let us also go check the FIDA data. FIAs on today have bought shares worth 130 crore. Could that probably be Nifty 50 stocks? I don't know. So anyway, very minor amount, nothing significant there. In futures, they are bullish for the 5th consecutive day, and this has not happened much. Okay, let me tell you, this has not happened much. So they are turning back into the bullish mode. Obviously, they are net sellers in futures, yes, but they have considerably reduced their portions now. Almost 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 17,000 to 18,000 contracts are now covered. Now FIAs have bought calls, they have bought puts as well, but they have bought calls in a higher amount. So net positive in options as well, as per today's data. In the today's summary, FIAs are, just like we saw, FIAs have bought calls and they have bought puts as well. So overall they are only very mildly bearish in call options. So FIAs, I think it is probably time for them to come back. And could we be seeing the start of an upward rally? No comments. We'll see. We'll wait and see next week. Okay, so let's go check the global markets while the major indices we get loaded. SGX Nifty is currently trading at 25,200, only down 0.04 percentage. So it is currently trading flat. So the global markets, US is giving a mixed signal. Nasdaq is trading positive, Dow Jones trading negative, mixed in US. That in Europe is again mixed. So every continent has a mixed emotion. So we might get to see very close to a flat opening on Monday as well. So our markets are possibly likely to trade between 25,000 and 25,500 in the upcoming week. If we get a close below 24,900, then it is probably down to 24,500 again, but that kind of seems distant now. Okay, so we could be trading in the range of 25,000, 25,500. Can we break 25,700 all of a sudden? No, possibly not. We don't have that sense of positivity. But again, on 17th of September, we have the Federal Reserve rate cut, possible rate cut coming up. Again, the FOMC minutes will be out. We can expect a rate cut because of the inflation and jobless data from the US. So that is also pumping in some sort of sense positivity in US markets as well. So again, all things to watch out for next week. It is going to be very interesting. We are at a swing high. Let me get you this right. We are at a swing high. See, the closing at today's 25,104 is above the closing of 21 August. So this is the highest closing we have since 24th of July. Highest closing since 24th of July. Since let's say 23rd of July. 23rd of July we had a closing at 25,233. Since then nothing. So this is the highest closing. So on a closing basis we could turn possibly bearish. Could we take another hit here? Possibly yes, a small pullback, maybe to 25,000 levels, or yeah, maximum 25,000 levels is what I expect. And after that we could be in for higher highs if nothing wrong happens from Mr. Donald Trump and global markets. So that's it for the post-market analysis on 12th of September for all the benchmark indices. Thanks for watching. Till we meet again on Monday. Take care, Jai Hind, and goodbye.